Hey everyone, this is Tom from Adventures at Home. So today I have another how-to video. So let me show you what we have going on today. Okay, so what I have here are a couple pairs of pliers here. We actually use these to take staples out of the flooring. We used these when we first got the house. We were removing the old flooring. The underlayment was all stapled in. We probably had a few thousand staples. And we use these pliers to take all of those staples out of the floor. So anyway, you can see they're all rusty. My son had borrowed these. They sat around for about a year or so, and you can see there's quite a bit of rust on these. So I was just looking on YouTube for a quick and easy way to get rid of the rust, and I'm going to see if this works. Basically what he did is he soaked these in vinegar overnight and then took some steel wool. So anyway, I'm going to give that a try and see if that works. As you can see, here's the vinegar. So this is just your average vinegar that you buy at Walmart or something. So I'm just going to pour it into this little tray here and make sure that the rust covered areas are under the vinegar, that they're fully covered. And we'll give it 24 hours and see if this works. Okay, so as you can see, I've got both tools submerged in the vinegar. We'll give this 24 hours, and I'll take it back out and see how it looks, and then use some steel wool on it. And if this works, this is probably something you can do if you have any rusty tools laying around that need to be cleaned. Yeah, one thing I thought I'd do is just put these in the sun, see if that has any better effect. So we'll let these sit in the sun again throughout the day and then overnight, and we'll take them back out tomorrow morning and see what they look like. Okay, so it's been just about 24 hours. So let me show you what it looks like now with these tools submerged in the vinegar. Okay, so as you can see, the vinegar's turned kind of a rust color, so I'm assuming the rust is coming off. Try to get as close as I can here. So it looks like the rust has come off. What I'm going to do is I'm going to scrub these. I've got a little toothbrush here, just an old toothbrush. I'm going to use that and see what these look like once I do that. Okay, so I'm just going to use a toothbrush and try to get this residue of the rust off of here. And once I'm done doing this, I'll dry these off and just see what they look like. Okay, so I've wiped these off and they look really good. I really can't see any rust on these at this point. So yeah, I mean, I'm pretty amazed what just plain old vinegar can do to rust. So it pretty much dissolved it. I'm just going to kind of oil these up and they'll be ready to use. So anyway, guys, thanks for watching. Hopefully this will help you, and have a great day.